Yo, what's up mga runners? So today we have a hit run training na Huawei plan ulit. So this plan again is once more to beat our 5K PB na 26:55 ata yun. So ang goal natin is maka 26 minute, makakat tayo ng 1 minute sa ating run. Come and join me this afternoon. Let's have some fun and some papawis. Let's go! Quick tip guys, always start a warm up before exercise para less injury and may iwasan din natin yan. KM1 7:17, 2K 6:31, KM3 6:26, KM4 6:48, KM5 6:01. That's our heat run here again at Country Road. So dumayo tayo ng Adalina subdivision to make some 4 laps dun sa mid-set natin kanina. So na-accomplish naman natin, nakapag-maintain tayo ng at least 4:30 sa dalawang set na yun. I hope I encourage you once again to stay active, to stay wealthy, to be healthy, and always run for your life, for a better living. Kita-kits ulit sa ating susunod na run. Run safe guys! Hey!